So we've used the rods. It's getting a bit boring now, isn't it? Let's use our Gekko. What is a Gekko, I hear you say? Right, now the Gekko is... Right, so we've got our Gekko out. So it comes with this little hook to tie the cables onto, but we won't be using that yet. So what we'll be using is this bit with a magnet on it, and the other end is a magnet, so you can see how tight that is. So what we're going to do, we're going to put this up above the ceiling. Then we're going to hook that, and we're going to slide this along. So as we can see, that's going along. Goes along like that. And there we are. So that is how that pulls out. And then I'm going to pull that back over the ceiling. And that pops out there like so. Then what we're going to do, we're just going to fold our cable over there, which we can do. So it's quite, twin and earth's quite sort of stiff. So then we're going to pull that back in like that. The Super Rod Gekko Gripper. Great bit of kit. What is it? SPGG. It's a must. If you're doing a lot of stuff with downlights and above the ceiling, get one. It is an absolute no-brainer. Get yourself the rod kit, the bag, the small rods, the handy rods. Fantastic. You won't go wrong, and these will get you out of a lot of trouble. Trust me. Especially how much insulation builders put in now. You can just drag it along the ceiling. Boom. Buy one today.